Hello guys, I'm Harry Sims and you're watching Motivate Yourself Now. So guys, if you did not subscribe to our channel, so what you doing? Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, today I'm gonna tell you some tips for how to strong your immune system and fight with coronavirus. Disclaimer, this is not a video for how to cure it. I'm just gonna tell you some tips that how to make immune system strong so that your body can fight against coronavirus or any other disease. As immune system is a natural healer, so we need the strongest, First, vitamin C. Vitamin C is the best immune system booster. Sources of vitamin C are oranges, lemon, or all kinds of fruits. In this time, we need to consume vitamin C as much as we can, as it will make our immune system strong. So consume lemon juice, orange juice, or consume vitamin C in any way. It have no side effects and it will make your immune system strong. Second, herbs and leaves. You know these things? Tulsi, neem, turmeric, hot leaf, moon seeds, giloy, carom seeds, etc. Natural antibiotics and immune boosters, they have no side effects. Even eat neem and tulsi leaves or drink turmeric milk or giloy water. Just consume it in any way. This will boost your immune system. Point number 3. Pulses. Guys, pulses are good immune boosters. In this corona time, we need to break up with junk food and we should eat pulses. Point number 4. Yoga. Yoga is best thing. Yoga will make you strong from inside. Doing yoga will relax you, will boost you from inside, and will give you lots of benefits. Point number 5. Happiness. Happiness is the best medicine, guys. By being happy, you can make yourself healthy. Be happy, don't think negative, as negative thoughts will affect you mentally. This was all about immune system. Now let me tell you about hygiene. Guys, first of all, do friendship with mask and gloves. Never step out from house without mask and gloves. Point number 2. Whenever you go outside of house, after returning, firstly bath and change your clothes. Purchase an disinfectant spray. If it's not available, prepare a solution of water plus sanitizer plus antiseptic liquid and spray it everywhere in house where you went before bathing. And after bath, spray it in bathroom. It will disinfect everything. Spray it at those places or those things which are used too often, like those tap, TV, remote, etc. And suppose you went out of house to buy vegetables at doorstep. Still come inside and spray that liquid on yourself, especially on feet. Whenever you bring something, wash it properly or disinfect it by spray. Whenever you come from outside, wash your hands with soap at least 40 to 20 seconds. And whenever you go outside, keep a sanitizer with yourself. You can't use disinfectant sprays on vegetables, right? So whatever you bring, vegetables or fruits from outside, soak it in lemon water or keep it in sunlight for half to 1 hour. This will disinfect them. Now let's talk about social distancing. Whenever you go outside, maintain at least 2 feet distance from everyone. Don't go in crowded places. Don't touch anything and anyone, as you never know, anything can be happen. Don't go outside when not needed. Step outside only to complete important works and bring everything all together so that you don't need to go outside frequently. Think about your family, and if you will not take care of yourself, it means you are putting your family in danger too. Follow the steps mentioned above for a strong immune system and stay hygienic. If I missed some natural immune boosters for any way to keep yourself hygienic, then tell us in comment section. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Mostly share this with your family. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. Thank you so much for watching.